Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So today things are gonna be a little bit different. This is not makeup related at all, but I'm actually gonna be doing a review on my current and most favorite toothpaste on this planet. Okay guys, so this is the High Smile Day and Night toothpaste, and I have been absolutely loving this. And before y'all ask me, no, I'm not getting paid to talk about this, but the company did go ahead and reach out to me and send me this, but they're not sponsoring this in any way or paying me or nothing. This is all completely my thoughts and how I feel about it. And to start off, let me just show y'all my teeth. So I'm pretty sure y'all can see, because I can see, but they look freaking white. They look like crystal white. So I've been using this kit for a good 3 weeks, I believe. And let me just go ahead and open it for y'all. So it comes with 2 toothpaste, a day and a night. So I've been using this toothpaste as soon as I wake up. I use it, and from my understanding of it, the day toothpaste works as like a shield for your teeth. So it has like a, I don't know if it's a, it has like a shield. It makes like a shield, and it protects you throughout the day. So from like coffee stains, Coke stains, and all of that. And I love it because I had been using the 3D white toothpaste, so like 95% whitening toothpaste, and I kept using it, but as much as I was using it, it was not working for me. Okay, so before this toothpaste, I was using the Crest 3D white foaming toothpaste, and this is supposed to remove up to 80% of surface stains. So I was using this toothpaste, and I was noticing that my teeth weren't whitening. Like, as much as I kept using it, my teeth weren't changing color, they weren't getting whiter or nothing. And actually, the biggest thing that I love about this is that it does not make my teeth hurt. I can drink cold drinks, and one of the things that I like the most about this toothpaste is that it is also vegan. So that is amazing. I've really been loving it. I've been using this every morning, and I'm gonna keep on using it. Even if the company wouldn't send me out the product anymore, I would. It's good to the point where I'm gonna keep doing a subscription for it to receive it monthly. And now that we talked about the day toothpaste, I'm gonna go ahead and pull out the night toothpaste. So the night toothpaste is the one that actually does all the whitening. Okay, I love this toothpaste. I love the night one because it has charcoal in it. So this is the one that has like the key whitening to it. So it has activated charcoal, which naturally whiten teeth, bent clay, grapeseed seed extract, aloe vera. And both day and night toothpaste have 5 key minerals to help your teeth and all of that. And so I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna show y'all. So this toothpaste is black, and I assume it's because of the activated charcoal. But I freaking love it because, you know, you always see those Instagram posts, those people using the black toothpaste. And I never really thought it worked until I started using this. And trust me, it works. And I love how, I know you're probably wondering on the scent. I don't think that these have any strong scent. They have like a minty scent, but nothing too strong. And I also like how whenever I'm brushing my teeth, they don't give me an overpowering mint taste. Like, I don't have to wait like a whole half an hour, an hour to eat breakfast after it. The taste doesn't bother me like my previous toothpaste did. I really love these toothpaste, and I noticed so much on my teeth. Let me go ahead and pull up a picture so I can show y'all the difference, so y'all can see that it did work. So the package does come with a day and night, and now to like wrap it up, I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all some facts about it. So the day and night toothpaste, it has 5 stars on their website and over 1,000 reviews, so y'all can go ahead and check those out in the highsmileteeth.com website. And for both of them together, it's $15.99. So honestly, I think that's a really good price, because for that previous toothpaste, I was paying like $8 and it was over drying my mouth. It was making my teeth really sensitive, and it's just one toothpaste. It doesn't come with like a variety of a day and night one. But if you subscribe to them monthly, you get the toothpaste to your door, so no more running to the grocery store, to the corner store because you run out of toothpaste. And if you subscribe, you get 30% off each recurring order. So I recommend y'all to go try it out, and if you do try it out, make sure you leave a comment down below leaving me your thoughts. So I give my 5 stars to this toothpaste. Make sure y'all go check it out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and that is it for this video.